In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the LinkedIn login error on Android. If you're seeing a login error when you try to sign in to the LinkedIn app on your Android device, don't worry. The most common fix is quick and simple. Make sure the app is up to date. App updates often include bug fixes that resolve sign-in problems. To check, open the Google Play Store, search for LinkedIn, and see if you have an update button. If you do, tap Update and wait for it to complete. When it's done, open LinkedIn and try logging in again. For many people, this alone takes care of the issue. If the app is already updated or you still run into the error after updating, the next thing to try is clearing the app's cache. Cache is just temporary data that helps the app run faster, but sometimes it can get corrupted and cause errors. To clear it, go to your Android settings, open Apps or Applications, find LinkedIn in the list, and then go to Storage or Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. This won't delete your account or your saved information inside LinkedIn. It just removes temporary files. After that, return to the app and try signing in again. If clearing the cache doesn't do the trick, you can take one more step and clear the app's data. This is a deeper reset for the app and can resolve stubborn login problems. From the same storage screen, tap Clear Data or Clear Storage and confirm. Keep in mind, clearing data will sign you out of LinkedIn and reset any in-app preferences, so you'll need to log in again afterward. Open LinkedIn, enter your credentials, and check if the error is gone. To recap the flow, first, update the LinkedIn app through the Play Store. That's the fix most people need. If the error persists, clear the cache from your Android settings. And if you still can't sign in, clear the app data to fully reset LinkedIn on your device. Staying current with updates and keeping the app's cache data fresh helps prevent many common sign-in issues. That's it. Those are the steps to fix a login error on LinkedIn for Android. If this walkthrough helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.